Hello guys, just a bit of a short video today. I've got a bit of bad news. I've been cleaning out my skimmer box on the main pond and I found some in a skimmer box, and yeah, one of you guys that recommended I put some over the skimmer box were pretty much right. I didn't think it'd be an issue, to be honest with you, but let's see what I mean. The skimmer box basket, and unfortunately I found this. Obviously it's one of my butterfly koi fish that's gone in there. I'm a bit gutted that it's died. It has put some size on, it has got a bit bigger. Zoom in there a bit so you can have a look at the fish. But yeah, a bit of a bummer. I've also noticed I've been getting quite a bit of the fern tree leaves in the pond, so yeah. So as you can see, there's the conifer tree. We've got netting around the pond to keep the leaves out. Unfortunately, it's got into the pond, so at the moment I'm just cleaned out the skimmer box, and as you can see it's flowing in there. So just a bit of maintenance at the moment. Lesson learned. I need to get some sort of cover over the skimmer box somehow. I don't know how to do that or what I would put over it, but any suggestions would be appreciated. So yeah, a bit disappointed about my koi fish, how it's passed away, and I will bury it. Not a very nice way to go, I guess. So again, thanks for watching and have a nice day. So I thought I'd just show you what I've done with the wetland filter. Cleaned it out, got rid of all the dead leaves. You don't want anything decomposing really and getting into the pond, so I just cleaned it out, and essentially that's how it's looking at the moment. It looks quite bare, doesn't it? But that's what I've done so far. So you can see from the other side here, obviously that's how it looks. So guys, let's call it a day. I'll be honest with you, it's absolutely freezing. It's 0 degrees, it was -2. All the fish are hanging out at the bottom, that I've got left, that is. And we've got a bit of snow here and there on the actual grass. Yeah, so I'll leave it there. But yeah, not a great day today, no. But at least I cleaned out the skimmer box and sorted out the wetland filter. And I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, so I'm going to do another giveaway, because it'd be nice, I think, to give something to the koi community, a bit of food, so in the summer you guys have got something to use. Anyway, thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Just trying, those of you who have lost fish like me, keep smiling and just carry on. See you later, bye bye.
Right everyone, here is the mug giveaway, and we're going to do it live in this video so you guys can see who's going to be entered. Okay, I haven't quite reached 400 subscribers. I keep losing some for no apparent reason. I did reach nearly 400, but for some reason I've lost a load. So I would really appreciate, if you're watching this video, please subscribe to the channel. At some point, hopefully I'll be able to do another giveaway involving some koi food, but we'll do that and discuss that in another video. So I'm just going to run through the names that have been entered. Those that have actually put a comment in saying mug, you will be entered with a chance to win the Yorkshire koi mug. I'll do other ones later on further down the line. So the people that I'm going to enter is Amanda Smith, Andy, Angel Wings, Ashley the Sweet Spot, Betty Angel Bella, Brain Great Adventures, Budget Pawn Keeper, Copies Koi Chatting Bubbles, Dave Henderson, DT Koi. Just a shout out for DT Koi. Please go and check out his Saturday Night Lives that he's doing. He started doing them, which is a live stream, and I think he would appreciate lots of people going over there and watching them every Saturday or whenever he posts them. Everything But Koi, Far More Koi, Anthony Morris Tony, Philly Unique, Gloria Army, Hannah Navina, Humor TV, James Jazz, Kaylee Lauren, Lindo Bay, Mark, Martin's Koi Pond and Garden, Peter's Puddles Koi and Goldfish, Popsy's Koi, Rosita, Rosie, Scott Henderson, Sol Matt Ra, Sunny Side Up, Vintage Bookshelves. Just one thing to note, if you're not in the UK, I will send you a £10 voucher or an Amazon voucher or something like that. It's just because postage costs can be so high. But if you're in the UK, just give me your details. To do that, all you have to do is go over to Yorkshire Koi YouTube channel here, go on the About page, and just view email address, and it'll be there. And just send me an email, and once I've got your details, I'll post it off to you. So let's just go back to the wheel. I've shuffled it, so let's see who will be the winner. To the person that wins it, obviously congratulations and good luck, everybody. So let's just click. I've just shuffled them. I'll do it again so you can see me shuffling it. So it's shuffled into various random order, and I'll just click and let's see who's the winner. So Scott Henderson is the winner of the Yorkshire Koi mug. Yeah, get in touch, Scott, and I'll send it off to you. Just want to say a big thank you and well done. So let's everyone say a big well done to Scott. Well done. You're the winner. And hopefully this will show you that I do give freebies out, and I do appreciate everyone that watches. You know, this is something giving back to the koi community. I'll probably do this a few more times further on in the year, so just keep an eye out for those giveaways. The next thing I'll be giving away will be some koi food. I've got a jar of koi food that is summer food, and I thought it'd be a nice thing to give away, that will. Anyway, thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.